Melbourne Railway videos. I am currently on a train between Gowrie and Upfield, and the train's about to arrive, and I'm going to film an Upfield video. I think this was requested by TSC Secret Annie.
This train will be terminating at Upfield.
So yeah, I'll see you when I get off this train. Alright, this train that I was on is departing, 627M. Flinders Street service. Because of the current level crossing removal works, station construction works, it won't be stopping at Coburg and Moreland, but it will stop at all the other stations. You can see it going over the Barry Road level crossing there. It's a fair distance between Upfield and Gowrie, which is the next station. There used to be a station at Campbellfield, but it got closed quite a while ago. And they might build it in the future. They left provisions for it in the design for level crossing removal there, the Camp Road one. Alright, so just to look around Upfield, I've got no idea what this is over here. I think it might be the old Ford factory, but yeah, I'm not really sure. But a lot of open space, a lot of barbed wire. In here, I'll try and get the best look. I've got a yard. This is the end of the line, the end of the Upfield line, of course. Got a comment sitting there. Don't think it's going to be coming out right now, although we are coming into peak. Just give you a bit of a look at the junction. So you can see all the different trucks branching off there. And at the end of one of these, the line actually continues towards Somerton or Roxburgh Park. The line's not currently in use. I think it was last used maybe 20 something years ago, but there are plans to reinstate the line and connect the Upfield line up to the Craigieburn line, because, well, for one, it would gain easier access to the Upfield line to the trains at the Craigieburn stabling siding, which they're pretty reliant on, considering there aren't many sidings on the Upfield line or stabling facilities, stabling yards. Other than that, I guess I'll just walk along the platform. I don't think it's long until the next train. I'm not going to hang around here for too long, and it's pretty hot. Looks like they've recently resurfaced this platform. Over to the right, you might be able to see that bus. I think that might go to Broadmeadows. I'm not going to go all the way down. I think there are some train drivers waiting there. There are no plans to remove that level crossing at the end of the platform currently, but it might go eventually in the future. You'd think it would be a good one to remove. As I was coming in, there were lots of cars stuck, so I hope that they do eventually remove it. Might be part of duplication works if they ever duplicate the line, because obviously it's just a single track here. And yeah, I don't think there's much else to show you. Just a quick look at the up end of the platform. I might stop filming soon, there are people here. We just got to come in arriving. Cars will be stopped by level crossing soon enough. Looks EDR refurbished. Yeah, the bell should go down. .302M's leading. Comes in pretty slowly. I found that my train came in a bit slowly. I'm not sure why. 302M, as I said. 406M. And the rear's also EDI refurbished. And the train's starting. Flinders Street service. You'll have the same stopping pattern as the last train. Alright, that's the last train of the video, so I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please consider leaving a like. Otherwise, thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.